Hello, good afternoon and happy Wednesday. So I hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe and healthy. So today for my family's menu for lunch, I'm gonna make stir fry cabbage. Let's get started. So I have here, first heated up the pan and then put the oil, 2 tablespoons of oil, and once it's heated up, then we can throw our curry leaves. I'm using curry leaves. You can put as much as you want. And then let's put our green chili. And after this, we will put 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Okay, and then we'll put our chopped garlic. For the garlic, I have chopped like 8 cloves of garlic because we love garlic, and also it's good for your health. Some people eating it as just a raw garlic. You can have it. You can eat it raw garlic. So after this, so we have to put asafetida or hing powder. And then a turmeric, half teaspoon of turmeric. And just saute. This is just very easy to do. Now we can put I have cut my cabbage into this much size. So this is half cabbage, just the small size of cabbage that I cut into half. This is the half cabbage. Then I just have to mix it all together. Once it's mixed well, now we have to sprinkle salt. Like I'm putting half teaspoon of salt, and if it's required later on we can add more. Right now I'm putting half teaspoon of salt, and then mix it properly, and then just cover it. No need to put water because cabbage leaves water, so it will cook by itself. Check again after, we have to check between after 10 minutes. Let's check our cabbage. So for me this is okay. So this is perfect for me. So no need to cook more. So now let's taste if it's require more salt. No, for me it doesn't require. That was perfect. I don't want salty vegetables. So this is perfect. So now this is my stir fry cabbage.